Replace power switch. Step 1. Lift up the treadmill. Step 2. Move the 6 screws of the motor cover. Use the toolkit included in the package to turn the screws counterclockwise to take off the motor cover. Return the machine to the front. Remove the motor cover. Find a flathead wrench or something similar. Insert the wrench into this spot on the side of the power switch. Step 3. Push the power switch outwards. Step 4. Plug the terminals of the power switch. The damaged power switch can be removed. Step 5. Install the new power switch. When installing the power switch, the should face to the left. Insert the new power switch into the hole. Step 6. Connect the wires correctly to the new power switch. Connect the control board's red middle wire to the power switch's center terminal. Another short red wire insert to the right terminal of the power switch. The black short wire insert to the left terminal of the power switch. Step 7. After aligning the motor cover with the holes, tighten the screws to secure the motor cover. Turn the treadmill over. Turn the screws counterclockwise to tighten them on the back of the motor cover. Turn the treadmill back to the front.